Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is a 2-minute egg breakfast sandwich. You can put your egg into a microwave-safe dish, and we're going to scramble this up. Add some pepper, you can add some salt. We'll add some cheese. If you like, you could add some peppers or some onions. And we'll put this in a microwave for 1 minute or until the eggs are cooked through. You can toast your English muffin as well. If you want to use a different type of bun, you can do that, or some bread. Pull out the egg from the microwave. Heat up some bacon. You could use ham or a sausage as well. And assemble your sandwich. And all done in 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.